Hi, welcome to this sneak preview video of ArcoLinuxB. This is Budgie for you. What I've done, this is Budgie. Then we start with an update. We start with 3 files I see at this point in time. Then an upload and install simple screen recorder, and I've installed VLC. So this is the minimal approach. So what you see is what Budgie/GNOME gives you. And of course what we give you, because these 3 guys are from us. But let's go in here in accessories and scroll down. So these applications are coming from GNOME itself. Recipes, never used it. My recipes are package builds. Some games from GNOME, graphics, internet. So Firefox is coming from us. That's our decision to have it, and all the rest not from us. Sudo pacman minus as GNOME and GNOME Extra. Those are the packages coming from GNOME. Of course, there are some from us here inside as well. We also like to work with URXVT. Sometimes it's better. In the case, for instance, with seed host and making an SSH connection. If you do that, you'll you'll say yes, Eric, that's correct. That's better than Termite. Some universal access, so utilities, disks, logs, screenshots, system monitors, all the normal regular stuff, and the tweaks. That's not from us, that's the GNOME tweak tool, right? So it's a separate kind of thing. We have Ctrl-Alt-M. M is for the settings, so every desktop we have reacts on the same keyboard shortcut. That's the point. Ctrl-Alt-M, Ctrl-Alt-U is going to launch Pavu control, which I have set. So my mic is correct, 100%, that's correct. So it's all in there. Now, also here we have all the keyboards that we like and love. Ctrl-T, Super Shift, Enter, it's there. I don't miss anything. But I miss, of course, a lot of software. So Super F1 is gonna launch GNOME help, so that won't help me at all. Super F2 should have been Atom and so on. Super F3 should be GIMP, Inkscape, and all the rest of them. So if I install them, and if I install them, then I'll see them. You can use PAMAC, and PAMAC has a little problem at this point in time. If you downgrade a particular package, you see some information there. But I don't think I've installed it, since this is supposed to be a minimal one. But there is a GNOME, let's do an escape, F12, sudo pacman minus s, and then GNOME, was it software or something? That's the one, and you need the other one as well, because since we are on a Budgie, right? So, but it's based on GNOME as well. So gnome-software is, I think, the best tool at this point in time for this desktop to install, to have a look what is there for software out there. Doesn't seem to respond, seem to have some issues there from Mirror Osbeck, which is normally super fast one. So this link here is an ArcoLinux server that's normally super fast, but now for some reason just got a hiccup. Doesn't matter as long as we got it. So software update, I guess it's gonna be, I don't think so, 50-50, I think it's this one, right? Okay, restart now. I hope it's not restart now of my computer system, but restart. Let's go shopping. I'm not gonna press it anymore because well, I'm making a video, but here it is, right? So you go and have a look at what can I. Never tried this one, never tried this one, and so on and so on and so on. Mix DJ software, installed it once, nothing for me, but hey, there is so much more. And inside in the Calamares installer, you'll see in April, you'll see a lot of choices, but it's not restricted to those choices. There's much more, and I can't just put everything in there. I just put the most important ones. You recognize Peak, you know what it is. But Scribus, maybe you don't. Darktable, Blender, from name, do you use it? Krita, maybe interesting, and so on. FreeCAD, a lot of stuff. It's in there. We're on GNOME, well, Budgie GNOME. So I've just installed something extra, and you play with it. Just get the software in. It's all free. All right. fun.